My name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757, working on a Dodge Neon. I just took out one of the spark plugs. The young lady bought it from an auction. The car is misfiring. This vehicle needs to be completely rebuilt if she's going to keep it. And this is just one spark plug hole. I'm going to pull off another one and see what else we're getting. You can see this one cylinder is having a bad day, and there's a lot of carb on the spark plug. This vehicle needs to be rebuilt if she's going to keep it. She bought it at an auction. Have someone to do a pre-purchase used car inspection next time like we do. If you like this videos, please like,